Are you seeing this error when you're clicking on a site?
Here I come.
Fix resource overuse. You can use plugins like this to monitor if your server is being overloaded by checking your CPU and RAM usage. If they are under a heavy load, it could be due to a website issue like a plugin overusing server resources or due to an increase in traffic on your website. If you have a feeling that it's a plugin issue, simply head over to your plugins page and individually deactivate each plugin. Check your website after each deactivation and you'll get to know which plugin is triggering the error. If you notice that there's too much traffic coming, it is time to upgrade your hosting services package to deal with it. Limit the WordPress heartbeat API. Simply put, the heartbeat is something that runs in the background of your site and runs important tasks like autosaves. The heartbeat runs autosaves every minute or so and eats up a ton of resources. If your site is already low on resource capacity, then the heartbeat can trigger a 503 error. So, if the previous fixes haven't worked out for you, it's time to check if the heartbeat is triggering this. The quickest and easiest way is to install the heartbeat control plugin. After installing it from the WordPress repository, go to settings and click on the heartbeat control. Disable the heartbeat and check if the error is still on your site. If the error has vanished, you now have a confirmation that it's the heartbeat that's causing the error. So just click on modify options and then adjust the frequency of autosaves to the lowest possible one that you're comfortable with. This, however, is not a good long-term solution, and I would recommend upgrading your server resources so you can re-enable quicker autosaves. Flush your DNS. The 503 error can also be triggered by a DNS error. Clearing or flushing the DNS cache is one of the most recommended solutions to fix this. The DNS cache keeps all the IP addresses of the websites a client previously visited on the computer. That said, some IP addresses in the DNS cache may be outdated, leaving the computer unable to find the right website. How to flush DNS cache for Google Chrome. Enter this text into the Google Chrome address bar, then click Clear Host Cache. Now go ahead and check if the error is gone. If not, move on to the next step. Number 2. How to flush DNS cache for Windows. On the Start menu, search for Command Prompt. Then right-click to select Run as Administrator. Once a new window opens, type in the commands below. Then hit Enter. Open the browser to see whether the error message is still